Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to copy a message in TikTok's inbox. Copying messages can be useful when you want to save or share a specific message with others. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Then, select the desired account or chat where the message you want to copy is located. Step 3. Within the chat, find the message you wish to copy. Tap and hold on the message until a menu appears. Then, tap on Copy to copy the message to your device's clipboard. By following these simple steps, you can easily copy a message in TikTok's inbox, allowing you to save or share important conversations with others. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to copy a message in TikTok's inbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of copying messages in TikTok's inbox